We're out here on the KY3 deck. I'm with Kenny Miner. You know him well from Outdoor Home in Nixa. Kenny, what have you made us?
Skirt Steak Fajitas on the Big Green Egg and the Hearthstone Outdoor Griddle.
Just blew my mind. Show us how it's done.
Let's do it. All right, so we'll go ahead and get started. We've got our skirt steak here. This is about 1.5 pounds, and we want to get this marinating. So we're going to start by making our marinade. The ingredients for the marinade, I've got some Hardcore Carnivore Chili Lime seasoning. One of my favorites, works great. We're doing fajitas today. We've got some pineapple orange juice, olive oil, cilantro. I've got fresh squeezed lime juice, a tablespoon of garlic, and then we're going to put our seasoning in, about 8 teaspoons of the seasoning. Whatever your favorite seasoning, this is one of my favorites. On the skirt steak, I did trim a little bit of the fat off, but you want to leave some behind. We're going to actually cook this over live fire on the Big Green Egg, so I'm gonna burn that fat up, and it's going to make for a much better flavor. So we're going to go ahead and just put our ingredients in the bag here. Pineapple orange, our seasoning. All right, now we're just going to take our skirt steak, drop it inside the bag, make sure you get a nice coat. All right, it's been a couple hours on marinating the meat, so let's get cooking. So today we're actually going to cook on the Big Green Egg, and we're doing the Hearthstone Outdoor Griddle. So I'm going to first start by adding some Wagyu Beef Tallow, and we're going to do our veggies over here on the griddle. We got some green pepper, some red pepper, yellow pepper, some onions. Gonna add a little chili lime seasoning. Carried this at our store from Hardcore Carnivore on top of the peppers here. And we're just gonna keep stirring these every once in a while. All right, we got that going on the griddle. Now we've got the Big Green Egg fired up at 500 degrees for the steak. You could do that on there, but I like to get a nice fire kiss on that skirt steak, so we're gonna cook right over live fire. Nothing does steak like the Big Green Egg. We're just gonna pull this out. Make sure we don't lose any of that goodness. Our peppers and onions are starting to look pretty good here, so I'm going to start getting ready to do the tortillas. We're going to cook those as well, so I'll grab some more of our beef tallow, spray it on this side, and then we'll cook these just a couple minutes each side. All right, we've got a couple fajita skillets we're going to use today too, so don't want to waste any fire. Got plenty of room here. We're going to set these right in here next to the steak, let them start warming up. Peppers and onions are looking really good. We'll flip our tortillas over. All right, so we're going to flip this over and char the other side. Just going to go ahead and remove these for now. We're still cooking the rest of the tortillas. The steak's almost done. About 4 minutes each side. We're right at about a medium rare, so we're going to go ahead and pull our skirt steak off and let that rest. So last but not least, now our steak is rested, our skirt steak is rested. So we want to start making our slices on this. Very important when you do skirt steak that you cut it against the grain. So I will take it into like chunks like this. So you can see the grain is going that way. And then we're going to slice it nice and thin. All right, so we got our meat sliced up. All our veggies are done. Last but not least, we just got to get our skillets off here. These are super glowing red hot. So I'm using our Hell Hands. Got 2 of these, only need 1 to take this off. This is going to be super hot. So the Hell Hands, I can hold this for 45 seconds, no issue whatsoever. Got our hot skillets. We're just going to take some of our onion pepper mix here, and then we'll put some of our steak. All right, now last but not least, we're going to hit it with our, don't even know what you call this, but it's the stuff that makes it sizzle.
Kenny, these fajitas are picture perfect.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, fabulous. Should we build one?
Let's do it.
Or 2? Let's do it.
Yeah, you do one, I do one.
Let's do it.
All right.
I love fajitas. I wish it was a food group. It is my favorite food. Okay, let's wrap it.
Let's do this.
Let's do it. Taste test. Moment of truth. Kenny, absolutely amazing.
Thank you.
I mean, I've tried, my wife and I, fajitas all around the country. That's what we do. We go on fajita runs. These are some of the best, if not the best I've ever tried. I don't know how you did it.
Thank you.
Listen, everybody is going to want this recipe, and you can go to ky3.com to get it.
Yep.
For all your barbecuing needs, all your grilling essentials. Go over to Outdoor Home in Nixa, where, as we've said it before, outdoor living is always in.